Islamic.
It's okay like this.
More blessings, more understanding, more money, may you not die on 50, 75, 80, 100, 105, 200, no 200 is too much, 105 is okay. So, from my brothers, because I'm representing my brothers also, they are greeting him, happy birthday, sir, and prosperity.
Okay, so you tell us what you love most about your dad.
My name is Ahmad brother. One thing I love about him is like his love for his family. Yeah, he does not joke with his family. Yeah, his family is his first priority. Then so as he clocks 50 today, then I wish him more blessings, more grace, and more understanding on earth. He's 50 today. Inshallah, he'll be 100 and 125. I guess that's okay for him. Inshallah, and he shall live to eat the fruit of his labor. And I love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm the son of Mr. Alhaji Ahmad Alawiye'S, popularly known as Alawiye'S Islamic singer. I'm here to wish him a happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Long life and prosperity. May he live long for us. May he live long for us.
You are not saying what I want to say. Not me.